Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope all are doing good. Today in this video, job notification from different MNC companies, Accenture, L&T, Paytm, Texas and other companies, work location, Hyderabad and different locations. So we'll discuss complete details. Before going into a main content, small request to the viewers, those who are visiting channel for the first time, our channel provides all latest job updates time to time. So please do subscribe channel. As we discussed different MNC companies, first Accenture, new associate content management, work location Hyderabad, any graduate can apply for this position, freshers and experienced candidates, required skills, adaptable, flexible, need to work under pressure, good problem solving skills, detail orientation, skill, roles and responsibilities includes problem solving skills largely through following Accenture guidelines. We need to interact primarily with our team members and direct supervisor regarding the work. Candidate need to possess knowledge regarding basic statistics terms, and we need to discuss with stakeholders in meeting, and as well as we need to carry out all the tasks based upon the instruction given to us. We need to work closely with project members to effectively deliver on requirements. You will be an individual contributor as a part of a team with predetermined scope of work. Candidate need to be flexible enough. We had rotational shifts. Next, job notification from L&T Technology Services, work location Bangalore, hiring for designer positions. In order to apply for this position, viewers, required skills, knowledge regarding 3G, 4G, 5G, NSA networks, especially with TS and CS core networks and how they integrate in real-time rating platforms, network knowledge and skills in the areas of IP, UDP, TCP, GN, radius, diameter, etc. Excellent technical document writing skills in producing artifacts, design, integration, testing with core network elements such as PGW, PCRF, OCS and its interfaces, policy design, testing, integration with peering elements, and as well as viewers, very important point, understanding mobile data technologies, charging and policy for data related services including online and offline charging. And last but not least, basic understanding of NFV architecture, components and EPC virtualization functions, some knowledge of ETSI, Mono framework, VNF lifecycle, Linux would help but not compulsory. Interested candidate can apply for this position. And next, job notification from Texas, position software engineering, requirements minimum BS degree in electrical engineering, electrical and computer engineering, computer science or any related field can apply for this position. Minimum GPA 3 point or 4 point. Candidate need to possess knowledge regarding C, C++ programming, familiarity with assembly language programming, solid understanding of software engineering process and full software development life cycle. Preferred qualification, demonstrated strong analytical and problem solving skills, excellent communication skills in English both written and verbal, ability to work in teams and collaborate effectively with people in different functions, strong time management skills that enable on-time project delivery, demonstrated ability to build strong and influential relationship, ability to work effectively in fast-paced and rapidly changing environment, ability to take initiative and drive for results. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in description. Next, job notification from Paytm. They are hiring design intern position, work location Bangalore, duration 8 weeks to 16 weeks, learning art of collaborative teamwork, how to tackle complex problems and as well as giving solution, easy to use solutions, how to balance between design, technology and business goals, research oriented design process, interaction and visual experience design, informal usability testing and field research techniques. What you should bring: positive attitude towards people and work, ready to learn in fast-paced working environment, strong concept and design skills. Interested candidates can apply for this position because they are looking for innovative design interns who have strong passion for understanding people and their needs, their problems and their aspirations. Interested candidates can apply. And here's next job notification from Yuga Byte DB. They are hiring software engineering position, work location Bangalore, salary 47 lakhs and above. CTC would be more if stock upside ends up being higher than assumed. Last date to apply 30 March 2021, drive date 31st March 2021, drive location online. In order to apply for this position, here's eligibility criteria: BE, BTech, CS and IT in 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21 passed outs, great academic record and as well as GATE company experience. Referral: job is covered under referral program and have reward of rupees 1 lakh cash. Job description includes: at Yuga Byte we are on mission to build open source high performance distributed SQL databases for powering global internet scale applications. We are currently hiring 2 job roles, backend software engineering position and as well as software engineering full stack positions. So for backend engineering position, requirements are BSMS degree in computer science, strong software design and implementation skills in building infrastructure framework, working knowledge of Java and Python, solid understanding of basic system operations, willingness and ability to learn new technologies, languages and concepts. When we come to software engineering full stack positions, mainly programming language knowledge in JavaScript and Java, ability to work across various components in modern web application stack, stay abreast of development in various web technologies and push for adoption as appropriate, work with extended team to understand core product features and translate them into best possible visual interaction design for end users. BS, MS degree in computer science, similar technical field candidates can apply for this position, software development experience and as well as end-to-end ownership of designing and implementing large feature, working knowledge of Java and REST API design, proficient in JavaScript and React. In the same notification, even they clearly mention regarding compensation. So please do refer one's notification for 2 different job roles. I am going to provide a link in description, even referral link. And next job notification from MC Kinsey and Company, intern position for 6 months, work location Bangalore, qualification current 3rd year students pursuing BE BTech degree, outstanding record of academic achievement, proven record of leadership in work setting through extracurricular activities, good analytical quantitative problem solving skills, ability to work collaboratively in team environment, ability to communicate complex ideas effectively both written and verbal in English. 6 months internship. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide all important 6 links in description. Through link you can apply particular position if it is matches to your profile. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe Adhiraj Job Creation YouTube channel. Hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time.